In this video, we'll be talking about the simulation toggle that is available on the main screen of OptimumCNC software. When toggling simulation on, this allows the system to run through the currently loaded G-code program without actually turning the plasma torch on. So essentially the program will go through the X and Y axes motions somewhere above the worksheet, and what this allows the operator to do is it allows the operator to quickly see where the program is positioned and whether it fits the working material, for instance. It also allows the operator to quickly run through the program at a speed that is different from the cutting speed. So if we enable the simulation toggle to be on and we head into the Advanced tab, we can change the simulation speed. So for instance, let's say we set it to some very high number, perhaps 300, and we press the play button. Here the system will run at this simulation speed without actually turning the plasma torch on until it completes the whole program, after which we can disable the simulation and run the cut proper if it appears that the simulation is positioned correctly on the worksheet. Thank you for watching.